there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Thank you for subscribing on my video blog for today. I would like to encourage you to continually to be generous. It is better to give rather than to receive. Itong prinsipyo na ito ay hindi lang po sa pagbibigay. Ito po ay natutunan ko lalo na sa larangan po ng boxing. Diba? Tunay na motto yan. Mas maganda, it's better for you to give rather than for you to receive. Walang boxingero na gusto makatanggap ng knockout punch. Ang gusto na sila po ang magbibigay ng knockout punch na tulad ni Manny Pacquiao. Pero pagdating naman sa pananalapi at resources, like time, money, masasabi nga ba natin talaga na it's better to give rather than to receive? May mga ilang tao siguro na naniniwala na hindi applicable ang motto na ito pagdating sa pera. Okay lang naman kung yan ang paniniwala mo, kasi minsan talaga ang gusto ng mga tao, it is better to receive rather than to give. Lalo na yung mga taong kapos, lalo na taong kumikita ng mga siguro yung maliliit lang. But allow me to share to you the principles about giving and what receiving. Number one reason why you and I should be generous and it's better for us to give, because it is blessed more to what? It feels blessed more to what? To receive, di ba? Parang sinasabi ng ibang tao, yun yung yun yung totoo talaga. Yes. Again, gusto ko rin makatanggap. Naalala ko siguro yung first time nakatanggap ako ng regalo, attention, kahit mga ikangay nararamdaman mo, di ba? Nakakatuwa siya. At lalo na kung gustong-gusto mo yung bagay na binigay sa iyo, talagang it's really unexplainable eh. Hindi naman ako kukontra na sinasabi ko hindi maganda na maka-receive. Pero alam nyo, ito yung katotohanan. Based on my 50 years, I'm turning 50 this year, it is really blessed more to give. Why? Ikaw, tanungin kita, na-experience mo na ba nagbigay ng regalo sa isang tao na hindi niya inaasahan? Nakita mo na ba yung reaction sa face niya? Ano yung feeling mo nung talagang na-shock siya? Di ba? Ano yung feeling mo? Di ba nung panahon niya? Di ba saya ng feeling? Grabe, sa totoo lang, mas masaya ka pa nga kaysa sa taong na pinagbigyan mo. Hindi ito kuro-kuro o eksperimento. This is really the truth. And I personally have experienced that a lot of time. That's the reason why God is encouraging you and me to continually to be generous, to continually to give to others. Why? Ang sarap talaga ng feeling. So my encouragement to you today is this: to give without expecting anything in return. Huwag muna natin isipin kung ano magiging benefit natin, ano magiging connection natin, ano yung magiging balik sa atin ito pag tayo nagbigay. You know what we need to do? Let us ask and pray to God. Lord, give me the ability to produce wealth. Give me excess so that I can also become a blessing to others. Lord, sinong gusto mong i-bless ko sa araw na ito? Kung alam nyo, kung yan ang magiging attitude nyo sa lahat ng ginagawa, ikaw ay magbibigay, no string attached, walang return to letter sender na may address ka. Huwag kang mag-expect sa taong yun. I-expect mo na si Lord na lang ang bahala sa iyo. Because giving is a selfless act. The act of giving in itself is already considered as an opportunity, a blessing, and a benefit. So give today and know what I mean. Sana naman sa short na vlog na ito ay na-encourage po kayo, and my encouragement for you today is magbigay po kayo ng isang bagay na if not, pwede kayo mag-volunteer sa isang community, o pwede ka mag-donate sa isang church, o magbigay ka ng recognition sa empleyado mo, sa friend mo. Give without expecting in return. Magpakain ka, magbigay ka ng merienda, ilibre mo siya ng lunch. Tingnan natin kung hindi magkatotoo yung feeling na sinasabi. It is more blessed to give rather than to receive. I hope that you would continually subscribe to this my video posts, and please also share this to people that you know that can benefit. And also please follow me on my Twitter account, Facebook account, and my Instagram account. They're all under the name of Chinkitan. Kung may Viber account po kayo, please go to public chat and also do follow me sa public chat, and then type mo lang Chinkitan and follow me. This Chinkitan saying, to every problem there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always check positive.